I'm Hannah Eisen. Welcome back to my channel. Today is a little different. I'm going to have a mini vlog at the beginning of kind of what my morning routine was like, so ignore how crazy I looked, maybe even sounded. It was my morning, and sometimes that can be rough, but that's why I go through this routine to really help me get to a good start. I'm actually I've been up for several hours, but the rest of my family is still asleep. And I've just been waiting for the sun to get up so I can take this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just woke up. I'm just gonna show a little bit behind the scenes of what it's like for me. I went to bed very late last night. I had a lot of things going on with my business, and I work with people in so many different time zones that I couldn't go to sleep until midnight. And so that was rough for me. I usually go to bed at 10 so I can get up at 6 in the morning. So I'm a little bit tired. It is 6 in the morning. You can see Christmas lights out there. I'm getting ready to do my morning routine to kind of help me get awake and refreshed for the day. I was up a lot. Even though I went to bed at midnight, I still kept waking up in the night with all these ideas because I got to talk with some amazing people yesterday, and I had so many great ideas for things in the future to help more people. So I haven't been on my YouTube for a week now because I just got over a really bad sickness. But I just want to show you a little bit of what it's like behind the scenes for me. And I can't wait to see you soon and talk a little bit of what I've been learning. I can't tell how good the lighting is. I feel like it's probably not that great. But I do drink a lot of water in the morning. That helps me get awake. And then I come to my bookshelf, which I don't have a ton of books out right now because our family was going to move and then we didn't, but these are the books I have. And I just pick 5 of them, usually a Bible study. This is my favorite. If it's a Monday, which was yesterday, I read the notes I took from church the day before, but I've already read those, so I'll do that Bible study. Sometimes if I really feel like I need some extra encouragement, I'll do a second Bible study. And then for today I'll also read at least a chapter of a personal development book. So I think I'm going to go with this one. I'm really enjoying it. It's a John Maxwell, and that's one of my favorites. 3 things successful people do. And I just love learning, and I found that if I take that extra time in the morning to read a couple chapters of something, it really helps kickstart my day off to a great start. And also I have a million journals up here, so I usually pick one of those journals and write things that I'm visualizing, ideas I'm having, just things I'm praying for, a lot of things like that. So that's what I do for that morning routine after I've taken about 15 to 20 minutes to just kind of meditate and just breathe and focus on the day and what I'm going to be doing. I like to also do affirmations. I have a notes in my phone where I read affirmations, and that really helps me kickstart my day. I don't know if this is green or if my do not disturb and low lights are still on. It's morning, guys. Ignore how I look because this is not normal, except for it is normal in the morning. I don't know what I'm saying. It's still early. So I'm gonna go do that, spend some time with Jesus and pray and get my day off to a good start so I can help more people because I have a lot to do today. My sister wants to go Christmas shopping, and I'm going to be training at an amazing coffee shop so that I can be better at the work I do at the Hope Center with their nonprofit coffee shop. So I'm very, very excited for that, and I don't know what I'm going to talk about later in this video, but I'm excited. So after I've done all that, which I have now, and it's been amazing, I got so many crazy ideas, things that I'm very, very excited about. I learned great things about having a positive attitude. Really helped me kickstart my morning and focus on things. So now I'm on the floor because I'm getting ready to do some stretching and working out, because that really helps get my blood flowing and helps me get active and started for the day. So I'm gonna go do that, and then I'll probably make a video and get ready for the day, go eat. But yeah, that's kind of what I do, and it's small, a short thing, but I really enjoy it, and really I've seen massive change in everything in my life. Seriously, no joke. Not even getting like my relationships, my financial stuff, everything by just taking this time to set my day correctly. It's really neat what it has done for me. So I encourage you to try some of these things out yourself. I wanted to talk about like relationships and friendships and how I have kind of changed who I socialize with more to help me grow and get to a better place. About a year ago, I realized that I was in a very, very negative place. Things were like really hard for me. I found that I was like super pessimistic about everything, and it really drove me crazy. And I was told by so many people that it was normal and like you're born with it. You're either a natural like optimist or a natural pessimist, and that drove me crazy because I hated it. But then I would get all pessimistic about being pessimistic, and it was really just this awful cycle. And then I realized like all the people telling me that that's how I am, they were pessimistic as well, and I was just like we were just feeding off of each other and not helping anyone grow and get more positive. So I started reading a lot more self-help books, and like John Maxwell was really encouraging for me, learning how to think and be more positive. And then I just started, I even made a list like, okay, who is investing in my life and telling me like good positive things that encourage me? And there were only like 2 people on that list, and then there were like 5 negative people on my list. And that just really woke me up, like, okay, maybe this is why I am struggling myself. So I didn't want to like just shun the people that were being negative in my life, but I didn't want to kind of invest more time into that. So first what I did was, after I recognized the negativity and where it was coming from, pouring into me, I intentionally looked for people that were more positive in my life, and it made more intention to spend time with them. And also social media. People I followed on social media was a huge thing for me. I cut out so many people. If you check out like my business page, I only follow like 16 people, and it's organizations I support or founders or people that encourage me in my entrepreneur journey. So it's really, really changed because that's the kind of influence I'm getting instead of all the negative. And so I've been able to grow, and it's been very amazing. And now I can pour back into those people. They're still friends and family and very dear people in my life that were kind of in a negative place. I can now be the positive influence in their life. Hopefully that's kind of what I hope to do. I still get negative. All humans do. We all have our low points. But learning to grow through that and take action to fight it is really the key to becoming more positive. The other day, my pastor was actually preaching on friendships and recognizing the true valuable friendships in your life. And that is people that take time to tell you where you're wrong in a kind, uplifting way. It's people that will drop anything to be there for you. It's people that will call you up just to check on you. Just people that really care about you, not people that call to, talk about someone else or talk about how awful their day is. That is not somebody that is going to be a good influence in you and a good friendship for you. So I encourage you to go out and maybe make a list to think, are these people encouraging me? Are they helping me? I'm still working on it every day. And some people, you live with them, so you can't change that. But you can change how you respond to the negative and how you react to the situation. Something else I have noticed as I made those changes and tried to be more positive to the people that were being very negative, they stopped coming to me with all the negative situations and drama that was really getting me down and making me like super pessimistic. And they stopped coming to me to that because they knew that I wouldn't listen to it or feed off of it or really like build it up. They knew that I would try to say something positive, and that's not what they're looking for. So it really changed the situation for me. I don't even have to worry about it anymore, and it gives me the freedom to be more positive and encouraging, and I can go to them and be like, hey, check out this, amazing uplifting thing I've learned, or something, that will uplift them and encourage them. And some people, they won't receive that, but that's okay. That is totally okay. You do what is healthy for you so you can help more people and encourage more people that are looking for that kind of encouragement. Don't work so hard to encourage somebody that's already going to be of a pessimistic mind. Yes, you do it, but you don't spend all your time on that, because there's people out there looking for that help. So I don't know if that made any sense, but I really wanted to share that. That's something I'm learning, I'm working on, growing on, and it really was kind of something I've been really thinking about, especially since my pastor preached on that the other day, and it's just been something I've been meditating on and really encouraging me to see the growth, because I have been intentional about that, and to kind of look back and see how far I've come was very encouraging. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment them below. If you found value from this, give it a like or subscribe. My puppy's looking at me through the window. I gotta go feed him. But yes, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. If you like encouraging, uplifting posts, if you like learning about business, entrepreneurship, I will have a lot more of that on my channel, as well as just personal development videos. Thank you so much for watching.